Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. So important for a carpenter or other tradesperson to have things organized. This is probably one of the better choices out there for a toolbox, especially if you are working on the road, going from house to house and job to job. It has 2 trays in the top here. I can carry a lot of things in those trays, odds and ends and stuff that I need for a job. And underneath the trays, there's lots of room to carry a variety of tools. It's got an awesome handle that's comfortable to carry it around, but it also has a side handle so it can be carried like a briefcase. It's good for in the shop and it's good for on the road. But one of my favorite things I like about it is that it has a really good size, but yet it's light to carry. It's a great toolbox to have. And that's my point of view.